Long division. Division is the mathematical operation of breaking down a number into equal parts. Here is a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to do division. Write down the division problem, write the dividend, the number being divided on the inside of the long division symbol, and write the divisor, the number you are dividing by, on the outside. Start with the leftmost digit of the dividend, look at the first digit of the dividend and see if it can be divided by the divisor. If it can't, move to the next digit to the right and consider that digit as well. Perform the division, divide the first digit or group of digits by the divisor. Write the quotient above the line, and multiply the quotient by the divisor. Write the product below the line, and subtract it from the original number. Bring down the next digit from the dividend to continue the process. Repeat the process, continue dividing, multiplying, and subtracting until you have gone through all the digits of the dividend. Check your answer. Once you have completed the division, check your answer by multiplying the quotient by the divisor and adding any remainder. The result should be equal to the dividend. Practice division regularly to improve your skills and speed. With practice, you will become more comfortable with division and be able to solve more complex problems.